What is the man doing? Yes, he is listening to a song. Listening to a song can reduce stress and anxieties, lift our moods, boost our health, and the song lyrics can help us in learning a language. Om Swastiastu. Salam Nangun Satkerti Loke Bali. Pola pembangunan semesta berencana menuju Bali era baru. Hai, sahabat rumah belajar. Belajar di mana saja, kapan saja, dengan siapa saja. How are you today? I hope you are in a good condition. Nice to see you again in our English learning video with me, Mr. Ardita. Today, you are going to learn about English song lyrics. Sahabat rumah belajar, have you listened to an English song or have you read English song lyrics? I'm very sure you have. So, what are song lyrics? Lyrics are a set of words that make up a song. In other words, lyrics are the words of the song. Lyrics consist of verses and choruses. A verse is the longer section of the song that tells the story of what the song is about. This is the exposition describing the scene or the person or an emotion that supports the main idea in the chorus. There are usually 2 or 3 verses in a row that have the same musical structure, the same rhyme, but different words. While a chorus is the most repeated section, so it's the easiest remembered. A chorus is the summary of the song story. It is the main idea of the song. The chorus is often the title of the song and is usually very similar each time it occurs. Sahabat rumah belajar, let we continue with the social functions of song lyrics. The social functions of song lyrics are to entertain the listener, to teach moral value, to express and share personal feeling, to criticize a particular condition, to convey a belief in faith, to motivate and inspire, and etc. Well, what do you think the social function of the song lyrics entitled Fight Song? Yes, the social function is to motivate and inspire. It is a motivation for us to always fight in this life and trust ourselves how hard the situation is, even if we are hopeless. To fully understand song lyrics, you have to know the language features. The language features used in song lyrics are, first, the use of first, second, or third person point of view. In this example, the song lyrics use the first person point of view, I. The second one is the use of rhyme. A rhyme is a linguistic style based on similar sound of 2 or more syllables or whole words at the end of line. It is a repetition of similar sound. In this example, the rhyme scheme of the first verse of Rachel Patton fight song is A, B, A, C, A. The third one is the use of imagery. Imagery is vivid descriptive language that appeals to one or more of the 5 senses: sight, hearing, touch, smell, and taste. In this pre-chorus of Rachel Platten's fight song, the word scream appeals to our sense of hearing. So this is the example of imagery. The fourth one is the use of informal language, the language which is common when we speak. It is characterized by spontaneous speech in situations. Many songs use a kind of language consisting of very informal words and phrases that is called slang. For example, many songs use gonna, wanna, ain't, etc. Like one of Bon Jovi's song entitled This Ain't a Love Song. The fifth one is the use of figure of speech. A figure of speech is a word or phrase that is used in some other ways than its literal meaning. The figures of speech usually used in songs are simile, metaphor, onomatopoeia, personification, hyperbole, repetition, and etc. Well, sahabat rumah belajar, in this occasion you have already learned about the definition, social functions, and the language features of English song lyrics. And this is the end of our English learning video. Salam rumah belajar. Belajar di mana saja, kapan saja, dengan siapa saja. Keep on studying, never stop singing your fight song, and always support Nangun Sat Kerti Loke Bali. Pola pembangunan semesta berencana menuju Bali era baru. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.